Are you ready to uncover a secret war that shaped civilizations? For millennia, two colossal forces have clashed in the cosmic arena: the dragon and the serpent. This isn't just about mythical beasts. It's about creation and destruction, wisdom and chaos, good and evil, woven into the very fabric of human history. Prepare to have your understanding of ancient myths shattered. The dragon, guardian of order or bringer of storms. In the East, dragons were protectors, not monsters. The Lungwang, the dragon kings of China, ruled over the oceans, controlling the rains and harvests. Shenlong, the spiritual dragon, was said to breathe storms into existence, sometimes blessing the people, sometimes punishing them. To emperors, the dragon was more than a symbol. It was their divine right to rule, carved into jade thrones and embroidered in golden robes. The dragon was order, balance, harmony. But in the West, dragons were something to be slain. They hoarded gold, kidnapped maidens, and burned kingdoms with fire. Fafnir, a man corrupted by greed, turned into a dragon guarding his cursed treasure. Smaug, in Tolkien's tale, embodied this same archetype. Destruction, born from desire. Here, the dragon was chaos and greed, an obstacle to be overcome by heroes. The serpent, primal chaos and hidden wisdom. The serpent slithered into myths as a primal force, older than gods themselves. In Egypt, Apophis rose from the abyss each night, seeking to devour the sun god Ra. In Norse myth, Jörmungandr, the World Serpent, coiled around the earth itself, destined to poison Thor at the world's end. But serpents were never just destroyers. In India, the Naga brought fertility, rainfall, and protection to temples. In Mesoamerica, Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent, was creator and culture bringer, gifting maize and knowledge to humanity. And in Greece, the serpent entwined on Asclepius's staff became the very symbol of medicine. The serpent is duality itself, both death and rebirth, both danger and healing, both chaos and forbidden wisdom. The battle lines, archetypal conflicts. Myth after myth, dragon and serpent clashed on cosmic battlefields. Apollo slayed Python, the serpent of Delphi, seizing its sacred oracle. Marduk split Tiamat, the dragon-serpent goddess of chaos, in two, creating the heavens and the earth from her corpse. Thor struck Jörmungandr at Ragnarok, killing the serpent, but dying from its venom. Even the Bible carries echoes of this war. The serpent of Eden, tempting humanity with knowledge, and the dragon of Revelation, cast down by Michael in the final battle of heaven. These stories were not just legends of beasts. They were symbols: light against darkness, civilization against wilderness, knowledge against ignorance, the eternal struggle for balance. But what if the dragon and the serpent were never enemies at all? Both shed skins, whether scales or fire, emerging transformed. Both are tied to water, storms, and renewal. Both guard treasures, the dragon its gold, the serpent its forbidden wisdom. Perhaps they are not rivals, but reflections, two archetypes, representing the same truth: that creation is born from chaos and wisdom is born from danger. Legacy and enduring appeal. Even today, dragons and serpents dominate our imagination. From fantasy novels and films to video games and comics, their images endure. The benevolent Chinese dragon still dances in festivals, summoning prosperity. The Western dragon still lurks in dungeons, waiting for heroes to slay it. And the serpent still coils around our symbols of healing, medicine, and temptation. Why do they remain? Because they are us. They embody our fears, our hopes, our eternal struggle to understand the unknown. The timeless dance between dragon and serpent is more than mythology. It is humanity's mirror, an echo of our quest to balance chaos and order, destruction and creation, wisdom and temptation. So the question remains, are they enemies, locked in eternal war, or two faces of the same unbreakable truth? So tell me, which side do you believe humanity belongs to? The dragon or the serpent? If this mystery spoke to you, subscribe for more cosmic battles of myth, where ancient legends reveal truths that history tried to erase.